just
Okay,
one
guys, so it's the end of the first. We're up 2-1. We're winning 2-1. I got 1 assist. And so, yeah, here we go to play in the second period.
We are in the early stages of this game, about to begin the second period. Your thoughts on the first?
Rimouski's team is still in this game, Doc. They're down by 1 goal, but easily could be a lot more. You hear the term now, puck management. They did not manage the puck at all in that first period.
Pass cut. Trying to go to board. Rimouski survived it. Back even. Right into the slot. In the slot. Outstanding save. What magic. Got his pad on that one. Hammering. Wonderful save with the pad. Centering. Terrific pad save.
Great pressure there, Doc. I thought for sure there was going to be a goal.
I don't know how the shooter can do much more than that. The goaltender made an excellent save on a great bid for goal.
Rimouski's got another win. Up the wing, making some headway. Looks ahead to start something. The Knights have possession through the neutral zone. Wonderful, great stick save. Pass cut. Rimouski's accelerating ahead through the neutral zone. Oh, and here's a 3-on-2. Outstanding play by the defense.
Oh, we got the puck. Let's go.
Rister. Oh, big sweeping save.
Nice save.
Over 3 minutes have elapsed here in the second, and it is 2-1 the score in this one. London's got a defensive zone win. Passing one off now to Abbott. And he glides on to center ice. Shooting!
Oh,
right
just
above
hit the
goalie's
post.
shoulder off the crossbar. Lets it fly. Save! He's got it frozen. Easy. Rimouski's in their own end, continuing on. He is shut right off.
Oh, he's been looking for that hit all night.
We got the puck.
He's going to the net.
Oh.
Great move there. And he freezes for the whistle.
That one was the goal. Okay, we're still on.
Rimouski's got a face-off win. And in their own end, still on the move. Back in his defensive end together. Rimouski's accelerating on in neutral ice. A shot. Score! And this one is tied.
Well, they tied it, guys, and well, I'm only trying to make this short because if I recorded the whole thing, it would be too long.
Especially in the offensive zone. If you want to isolate a defender, you got to get people moving over to the puck carrier to get